Hello students, welcome to Shiv Jyoti Education Group Kota. This is Jigyasha Prajapati presenting here class 5th Computer Science video lecture of chapter 7 Introduction to MS PowerPoint. Students, open page number 76 in your computer book. In the previous video of this chapter, we have discussed about MS PowerPoint, how to start MS PowerPoint in your computer, the elements of MS PowerPoint, templates and various other features of MS PowerPoint. So students, now you have to open page number 8080. Today we are going to cover up these topics of this chapter. First, adding pictures to a slide, viewing slides in different views, saving a presentation, opening a saved presentation and exiting from MS PowerPoint. So students, let's start with our first topic, which is adding pictures to a slide. In PowerPoint, you can insert the pictures by using either pictures option or online pictures option. So students, in the MS PowerPoint, we have two options to insert the picture. First is pictures option and another one is online pictures option. The steps to insert an image by using pictures option are as follows. Now we will see the steps. First step, place the cursor in the placeholders where you want to insert the picture. Click the insert tab. So student, first you have to place your cursor inside the placeholder जहाँ पर आपको picture को insert करना है. Then you have to click on the insert tab. Okay. In the next step, click the pictures option in the images group and insert picture window appears on your screen. So students, now the insert pictures dialog box or window will appear on your screen. Now the step third, select the location on the pan from where you want to insert the picture. So student, now you have to choose a location where you want to take the picture or where you want to select your picture. Okay. Now the step 4, select and click the picture you want to insert. So student, now you have to select the picture जो भी आपको आपके presentation में insert करना है. Then click the insert button. Here student, you can see this is the insert picture dialog box or we can say insert picture window, and here we have select the pictures folder to select our picture, and here I have choose this picture, and here now we have to click on this insert button. Okay students, when you click on the insert button, then this picture will insert in your slide. Okay, and you can see the miniature form of the slide here in the slide pane. By pressing the rotation handle of the image, it is possible to rotate the image. Students, here you can see this icon. This is the icon of rotation handle. By using this icon, you can rotate your image in this slide. Okay. Now, the steps to insert an image by using online pictures option are as follows. So students, now we will see how to insert an image in our presentation using the online pictures option. First step, place the cursor in the placeholder where you want to insert the picture. So student, first you have to place your cursor inside the placeholder on the slide. ठीक है, slide पर जो placeholder है वहाँ पर आपको cursor को place करना है. In the next step, click the insert tab. Next, click the online pictures option. The given alongside screen appears. Students, when you click on the online pictures, then आपके पास एक window appear होती है. Next, type the term in the search box and press enter key. Student, in the search box, now you have to type the name of your picture that you want to search over the internet. Then press the enter key. The various pictures will appear on your screen. Select the required picture and click the insert button. The picture will appear on the slide. Now you can see students, here you can see this is the online pictures dialog box appear on your MS PowerPoint screen, and here we have search box. In the search box I have typed exercise. Okay, and press the enter key. When you press the enter key student, then here you can see various pictures appear on your screen related to exercise. Okay, for choose any picture you have to click on that picture and then that picture will appear on your MS PowerPoint presentation. Now we will see the practical how to insert picture in the MS PowerPoint. Student, this is our presentation that I have opened in my computer. Okay, here I have slide 1 and slide 2. In the slide 2, this is your placeholder. So first we have to place our cursor inside the placeholder. I have placed my cursor inside the placeholder. Now I have clicked on the insert tab. This is your insert tab. Now we have to click on the pictures option. Click on it. Then the insert pictures dialog box will appear on your screen. This is the insert picture dialog box, student. Here we have to select sample pictures folder, and here I have to choose any picture. I have select penguins picture and click on the insert button. When you click on the insert button, then the picture or image will be inserted in your slide. Okay, students, here you can resize your picture in the slide, and on the image we have the rotation handle, and students, we know using the rotation handle we can rotate our image over the slide like this. Now we will move to our next topic, viewing slides in different views. PowerPoint provides different types of views in which you can view your presentation. Students, MS PowerPoint provide different kinds of view in which you can see your presentation on the monitor screen. These views are: first view is normal view, slide sorter view, reading view, slide show view, outline view. Let us know the use of these views one by one. Our first view is normal view. This is the default view of PowerPoint. Students, when you open your presentation on the computer, then this is the default view of your presentation. Here you can see, the student, this is the normal view of the presentation. In this view, you can add text and images to the slide. Student, this is your slide, and on the slide you can insert text or images according to your choice. It is the main editing view. It has slide and notes pane. Students, here you can see, this is the notes pane, and here we have slides pane, and this is your slide area where you can insert text and images. Okay, so this is the default view of presentation, which is normal view. Now we will see the next view of presentation, which is slide sorter view. This view enables you to view all the slides on a screen in a miniature form. Students, miniature means small form. So here in the slide sorter view, you can see your slide in the miniature form. These are the miniature form of your slide. It is helpful in deleting, adding new slides if required, and in rearranging the slide to make the presentation effective. So students, in the slide sorter view, you can easily add your slide, delete your slide, or you can rearrange your slide in the presentation. Okay, students, so this is the slide sorter view. Now the next view is reading view. This view hides tabs, groups, ribbons and other elements of the screen. Students, here you can see, this is the reading view, and there is no tabs, no ribbons, no groups. Okay, and this view provides a full space to view or read a slide. Here student, you can see this slide is cover up all the area of your computer screen. Okay, so this is the reading view which provide a full space to view or read your slide. Okay, now the next view is slide show view. This view allows you to view the series of slides in the defined sequence. Students, if you want to see your slide in a defined sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4, then we can use the slide show view. In short, in this view, you can watch a slideshow of your presentation. Students, when you start the slideshow of your presentation, then you can see this first slide will cover the entire space of your monitor screen. Okay, तो आपकी जो screen है उस पर एक slide जो है वो cover up हो जाती है students. Okay, now the next view is outline view. In this view, you can easily view the outline structure of a presentation, as well as you can easily edit the text in your slides and can plan how to present them. So student, this is the outline view. Here you can see the outline of your presentation in the slide pane. Here you can see only the heading of your slide. Okay, so this is the outline view of your presentation. Students, now we will see the practical of these view one by one in your presentation. Student, this is your presentation that I have opened in the MS PowerPoint. Here, to see the views of this presentation, we have to click on the View tab. This is your View tab, and here we have different views: normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, notes page and reading view. First, we will see the normal view. So, student, normal view is the default view of your presentation. Here, you can see the slide pane, slide, and below the slide we have the notes pane. This is your notes pane where you can add the notes for your slide. Okay, students. Now the next view we have slide sorter view. In the slide sorter view, you can see your slide in the miniature form, or you can easily rearrange your slide by clicking and move your slide. Okay, so this is a slide sorter view. Now the next view we have reading view. When we click on the reading view, students, then you can easily read and view your slide on the presentation screen. Okay, here we have only 2 slides. Now the next view we have slideshow view. For this we have to click on the slideshow tab. This is your slideshow tab, and here we have to click from beginning. So this is the first slide of your presentation, and this is the second slide of your presentation. Okay, now we end this slideshow using the escape key. Now again we will go in the view tab, and the last view of your presentation is outline view. When you click on the outline view, here in the slide pane you can see only the heading of your slides. Okay, students, now we will move to our next topic, saving a presentation. The steps to save the presentation are as follows. So student, now we will see how to save a presentation. First, click the file button. First you have to click on the file button on the presentation. Next, click the save option. The save as dialog box opens up on your screen. This is your save as dialog box. Type the file name in the file name box. Student, this is your file name box. Here I have to type the name of my presentation. Next, click the save button. After typing the name of your presentation in the file name box, we have to click on the save button. One more thing, students, file in the MS PowerPoint is saved with the extension .pptx. So this is the file extension of the PowerPoint file, or we can say presentations file .pptx. Okay, students. Now the next topic is opening a saved presentation. Student, once you have saved your presentation on your computer, now we will see how to open a saved presentation on your computer. To open a saved presentation, follow the given steps. First step, click the file tab, click the open option. The open dialog box appears on your screen. Here students, you can see this is the open dialog box which will appear on your screen. Select the file from the location in the left pane of the window. So students, here I have to select the location where I have saved my presentation file. Next, click the open button. The presentation will open on the screen. So students, your already saved presentation will be open on your computer screen. Now the next topic is exiting from MS PowerPoint. So students, now we will see how to close MS PowerPoint application. To close the MS PowerPoint, follow the given steps. First, click the file tab, then click the closed button, then your MS PowerPoint application will be closed from your computer. Okay, students. Now we will see some shortcut keys that we can use in our MS PowerPoint presentation. First, CTRL plus S, or we can say Control plus S. This shortcut key is used to save a presentation on your computer. Next, we have Control plus O. This shortcut key is used to open a saved presentation on your computer. Next, we have Control plus M. Students, we use Control plus M shortcut key to insert a new slide on your MS PowerPoint software. So student, this is the frequently used shortcut key we can use in our presentation. Okay. Next, we have Control plus N. Control plus N shortcut key is used to open a new presentation on your MS PowerPoint software. Students, now we will see the practical how to save our presentation, how to open our saved presentation, and how to exit from the MS PowerPoint. Now, to save our presentation, first we have to open a presentation, then we have to click on the File tab. click on the file tab. Here we have to click on the save option. Now we have to click on the browse option, and here you can see student, this is the save as dialog box. Here first we have to write the name for our presentation. Here I have to write presentation 2. Okay, now we will select a folder where I want to save my presentation. I have select documents folder inside the libraries, and now we have to click on the save button. So my presentation has been saved in the documents folder with the name presentation 2. Okay students, now we will close it, and again we will open MS PowerPoint software, and now we will see how to open the saved presentation on the MS PowerPoint application. For this we have to click on the file tab, and here we have to click on the open option. Now click on the browse option, and this is the open dialog box. Now we have to go in the folder, documents folder, select presentation 2 file and click on the open button. Then you can see student, your saved presentation has been opened in the MS PowerPoint software. Okay. Now students, we will see how to exit from the MS PowerPoint software. For this again we have to click on the file option, then we have to click on the close option. Okay, then your MS PowerPoint software will be closed from the computer. So this is the way to work in the MS PowerPoint application software. Students, I hope you have understood all the topic that we have seen today and the practical of these topic. Thank you students. Have a nice day.